Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I have short hair now. What do you guys think? I had to cut it off. I finally got an appointment with my hairstylist. I had an appointment scheduled during COVID, shut down, and they were finally able to open back up and I got my hair cut and it's just so much better. It is so much cooler. All these ends were dead, I just had to cut them off. Anyway, let's go. Today we have a Fashom unboxing again, and if you guys didn't watch my first one, I'll put a link up there and you can watch that one. But I'm really excited about Fashom. Fashom, it's the first, I can't talk, I'm just too excited. The first styling session is always free, and then it's a $15 styling fee after that. So it's kind of like, you know, Stitch Fix has a $20 one. Fashom has the $15 one, and anything you choose to keep from that box, that $15 goes towards it. But more below about Fashom. Let's see our bundle. Look, you guys. Look at all those fun colors. I'm so excited. Okay, today is 4th of July. This video is not going up on 4th of July because it's 4th of July. I got stuff to do. But I wanted to do this video today because Fashom, they email you 7 items that your stylist picks, and you get to pick 5 of them to be sent to you. And this one, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's got some stars and stripes on it. So I want to wear that today. So I wanted to do this one. And it's like I finally have time to do it. So let's get into it. They send you the return mailing envelope that you can just put in the mailbox if your mailbox is big enough. I've been wanting to get a bigger mailbox. You know, off on a tangent already. And they send you the invoice and everything. And thank you guys so much for signing up under my link on the Fashom last time for my last video. So I do have some credit. I had some credit before that as well, so I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much. It really helps me out. It helps me do more videos. So we have the invoice. It says, sending you lots of love, Rachel. Team Fashom. And it has all the directions on the back of what to do and everything with your box. So that's nice. Hi Rachel, get excited. You're new. I am. Can you tell? Got my short swingy hair. Hi Rachel, get excited. Your new Fashom box has arrived. In this box, I have selected some breezy, fun and figure flattering, say that 5 times fast, wardrobe pieces that will have you feeling comfortable and confident this summer. I'm especially excited for you to try our white birch Renee tie sleeve top. I think it's a staple for sure. You can pair with your favorite denim and dress it up, but it would also be cute worn super casual with short sneakers and your favorite statement necklace. I think it will be a perfect new summer wardrobe staple. I can't wait to see what you pick and really appreciate any feedback you are able to leave. I hope to style you again soon. Your stylist, Morgan. So that's nice because my stylist last time was Morgan too. So they're not like shuffling you around. So the other cool thing with Fashom is if you pick 3 things out of the 5 items they send you, you get 25% off, and if you keep all 5 things, you get 30% off. So last time I think I just kept 1 thing, but I'm excited. I'm excited for this box. So we'll go over prices at the end. Let's get into the beautifully wrapped bundle. Last time my bundle fell apart because I was a little too overzealous with the tissue paper when I lifted it out of the box. But this time I just flipped it upside down so I wouldn't break it. Here we have the first one. Let me read from the invoice what the names are though. This is the Middo Shop Star and Stripe Sleeveless Tank Top. Ready? Look how cute that is! And it's like in a pinky mauve color, so it's not like your standard like, you know, red, white, and blue. But you still get the stars and the stripes. Oh! I hope that fits. It looks pretty swingy, so that's cool. I love it. Now I will say, when I first picked out the items that they, you know, when they email you, they showed this in a dark gray. So I'm thinking they ran out of the dark gray and they sent me this pinky mauve one, but I actually like this one better. So I'm excited. Take a drink every time I say excited. I don't have a drink right now. Oh, I did want to show you. Tangent. A few of you have asked me what lipstick I wear. It is magic lipstick, I'll tell you that, because it does not come off. Look at that. I even make the sound. Nothing. So, it is the Maybelline New York, okay? the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink, and it looks like this in the square tube, and it is in the color 20 Pioneer. It's not going to focus, but it's in the color 20 Pioneer. And I'm not kidding when I say it does not come off. You have to use like makeup remover, or if you have that, I've been using the makeup eraser towel thing I got in a FabFitFun box. Works amazing. Back to the tops. Also, okay, this next one, it looked like it was black and red when they showed it in the preview, but it is navy and like a pink, which I kind of like even more again. And it is a tie sleeve. I'm just gonna put it against me while I read. White Birch Renee tie sleeve top. Yeah, I like it. I think that's so pretty, you guys. I'm really excited about Fashom. Really excited. I didn't really point out, it's a tie sleeve top from the name. So it's got the little ties there. It's like a cold, it's almost like cold shouldery actually. So that's cool because it's a cold shoulder. And next are just like kind of some basics that I liked that she picked out. Just kind of swingy. Here's the color. This is also the Mido Shop Bamboo Fabric Dolphin Hem Top. And it's in this like pretty melon color. I just thought it was so nice and summery. It's swingy, it's a little bit oversized, so you could tie it, kind of like with my tie-dye one I got in my last box, which I love that tie-dye top. So, really soft, really stretchy. Guys, I don't know, I hope everything fits good, because I really liked everything she picked out. Alright, next we have the BBA Lizzie dress with pockets. It has pockets. It's hot pink. It's just like a nice little t-shirt dress. Pretty plain, V-neck. You know who else got this? From another YouTuber I watch, Kayla's Closet, Kayla with a K. Kayla's Closet, shout out if you ever watch my videos. She got this, and I was like, oh, I can't wait to get mine, because I had already picked it before I saw her video. But, yeah, I'm excited. This last thing, I didn't like the other kind of two items that they had picked, so I was like, meh, I'll try this kimono. It might be cute. It might be like Jimmy Buffett-y, but that's fine. It's the Umji floral kimono. You ready for this? You ready? I don't think you're ready for this. It's a bit of a lot, but you know what? Just wear it under, you know, wear a white tank with it, and this will be your statement piece. How about that? We're gonna do a little preview here. I don't know, it could be cute. Okay, so it's got a lot going on with it. Floral, stripey thingies, pattern. I don't know, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it on. It's kind of like my wild card. But all right, let's get to trying them on. First we have the Stars and Stripes top, and I think it's cute. I do. What do you guys think? These are my shorts from my last Stitch Fix video, the Vegas. It's like all I live in now. So this top has like that nice kind of side split hem. It's a little longer in the back. I think it's cute. I like it. It's soft. What do you guys think of the stars on the one side and the stripes on the other? I'm wearing it today. I mean, I'm probably going to keep it. It's nice to just throw on and get home, but it's really cute for 4th of July, which is today. There's the length in the back. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like that kind of like muted pink mauve color. I think that's cute. What do you guys think? America. And here is the, what do they call it? The tie top. I don't remember. Tie sleeve top. Tie sleeve top. The Renee tie sleeve top. In the navy and white with the hot pink piping. So I would say this is more of a cold shoulder than like it does have a tie, but it's more cold shouldery to me. What do you guys think of this one? The stripes are nice. As you know, I'm a sucker for stripes. I think it's long enough. I like the pink and the blue together. Let's try tucking it in. What do you guys think? It's really kind of weird to tuck in like striped tops because then you got like the weird pattern there. I don't know. I think this is a maybe. I'm not in love with it, I don't think. I do really like, I'll like get close here. I do really like the pink and the navy together. I think that's really cute. I think you don't really see that often. The ties are nice. They wouldn't drive me nuts. Sometimes tie sleeve tops, like when it's tied down here, it just drives me nuts, like flapping all day. But I think it's cute. I'm gonna try tying it. We'll have the tie sleeves and the tie shirt. I think that's cute. It's cuter like that, I believe. I don't know. It's a maybe. I love this shirt. That might be... Some of you guys might not like it. I don't know. I like it. It's nice and flowy. Let's look. Look how swingy that is. It's longer in the back. I like the sleeve length. It's nice thin material, but like it's not see-through. I have a dark bra under this. Can't see it. I don't think. Maybe from here you can. I don't know. But I really like it. This is that dolphin hem, they said. It's really soft. I think you could dress it up with like a statement necklace. I love this melon color. I like this one better than the striped top so far. It's cute. It's so cute. Okay, I think I'm going to keep this one. Here's the color. What do you guys think? I love the sleeve length. It's kind of reminiscent of my tie-dye top in my first box. I just love this. Let's see. Let's see how it looks tucked in. It's not great tucked in. But you could tie it. That's cute. You could tie it and then you could tuck it in a little bit too. I love it. I'm keeping this one. Keeping this one. Keeping the stars and stripes so far. Super cute. I don't have a lot of basic tees, so yeah, I like this one. All right, let's do the next one. It's a little crazy. It's a little crazy. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't think I like the material. It's kind of a weird material. Maybe I can read it when I take it off in a second. It looks fine with just a plain white t-shirt and the shorts. I think, you know, when it flaps open, it's not like the same print on the inside, obviously, so I don't think I'd like that. I think it's a good length, though. Goes like right to the bottom of my shorts. I don't know. It's a little boxy, but when you put your arms down, it doesn't really matter. I think it's just the print. But I wanted to try it. I wanted to try it when it came in my preview. But if anyone ever watched like Three's Company, you know, it's a little bit like Mrs. Roper, and she would come down to check on those crazy kids. Yeah. So I'm thinking no on this one. We got the dress to try on. So this is, someone else had asked my last video, a couple of videos ago. This white t-shirt, trusty old white t-shirt there, it's from Target. It's a New Day. I'm throwing this into my no pile. It's a New Day. It's a new day. That's the brand. And it's just like the perfect white tee. I tucked it in, but it's like perfect length. Anyway, some of you had asked. Target, a New Day. Well, let's try the dress on. Okay, this pink color is gonna like really mess with the lighting with my camera, but here it is. I like it. I think it fits great. It's nice and swingy. Oh, it's got pockets. It has pockets. Let me pan down. I'll show you the length because I can't stand on my tippy toes. Well, I can, but I don't want to. So yeah, goes right to like right above the knee there. It's a little wrinkly down here in the dress, but it's just because it was in a box. So I think once I, you know, steam it or wash it or whatever, you know, and hang it, I don't think those wrinkles will be there. You guys! See, this is what I like to put on when I get home from work. I change out of my work clothes. I put on, like, my closet's right here. I put on, like, a tank toppy dress like this. This is from Walmart, by the way. You know, just something so I don't have to wear pants. So, I really like this. I think it's cute. It's swingy. It's pink. Who doesn't love pink? Some people don't love pink. That's fine. All right, let's go over prices. I have 3 things I like, you guys. I always do this. I have 3 things I like. So let's go see what the prices are. Okay, let's go over pricing. Okay, so it's kind of nice because it puts like the original price over here and then what the item would be if you kept all 5 and then what it would be if you kept 3 things. So that's kind of cool. So the Star and Stripes sleeveless tank top is $38 originally. I'm going to keep it. So with 25% off, it'd be $28.50. Awesome. And then the BBA Lizzie dress with pockets in pink is originally $41. With 25% off, it would be $30.75. The Middle Shop Bamboo Fabric Dolphin Hem Top in that like melon color is $36. With 25% off, it'd be $27. So those are the 3 things I'm keeping. Let me grab my phone and I will add it up because I'm not great at math. I've gotten better over the years, but I'm not great at math. I'm more of the creative kind of side of the brain. My analytical math brain doesn't work. So $86.25 for those 3 things. I'm going to do it. I'm going to keep it. I have some credit, so I'm going to use it towards that. I'm excited. Okay, let's go over the 2 things I'm not going to keep. The White Birch Renee tie sleeve top, originally $44. The UMG floral kimono. You like how I said before I said UMG? The UMG floral kimono is originally $39. So if I did keep everything, it does the math on the bottom there for you. If I did keep everything, it would be $138.60 for the 5 items. So bravo, Fashom. Your prices have been stellar so far. This is only my 2nd box, but I am quickly loving you guys. Very excited. It's got the nice note, so I'll just put those 2 other things in my mailbox, and you know, post office lady will take it, and you know, that's all you gotta do. If you guys want to try Fashom, I'm gonna leave my link down below, and like I said, your first styling fee is like waived, and then if you use my link, you get $10 towards your first box too. So if you want to try it out, feel free. I just realized my necklace is tucked into my shirt. Some of you have asked about my necklace too. This is from Poshmark. I just searched on Poshmark initial R necklace, and a bunch of stuff came up, and I found this one, and I really liked it. When we watched Schitt's Creek, I was obsessed with like Alexis's A necklace that's just like this, and I like it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have be healthy, safe 4th of July. I'm gonna get to some day drinking here pretty soon. My neighbors are doing fireworks. Shout out to you guys doing fireworks tonight. It's gonna be stellar. He's always amazing at fireworks. So yeah, you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. If you like this video and you like videos like this, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and you can see more of my unboxing videos.